Is your Samsung Galaxy Buds case refusing to charge? This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to revive it. We'll cover common causes and effective fixes, from simple software tweaks to hardware checks. This applies to most Galaxy Buds models, including the Buds 3, Buds 3 Pro, and Buds FE. First, ensure your charging cable is functional. Try a different USB-C cable and power adapter to rule out basic connection issues. Next, inspect the charging port on the case for dust, lint, or corrosion. Use compressed air or a soft brush to gently clean the port. Avoid using liquids to prevent damage. Software glitches can often cause Galaxy Buds charging issues. These problems are usually fixable through firmware updates. Start by opening the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. This app manages your buds and provides access to updates. Next, check for firmware updates within the app. Updates are released regularly to fix bugs and improve performance. Firmware updates include power management optimizations and bug fixes that specifically address charging problems. A notable update is version 7.1 for Buds 3 models, which features AI-driven diagnostics to detect and resolve charging faults in real time. If an update is available, install it through the app. This process can take a few minutes, but often resolves charging issues. Resetting your Galaxy Buds through the Galaxy Wearable app is a fundamental troubleshooting step that can resolve many software-related charging problems. First, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your Samsung phone. The app icon is typically found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once the app opens, select your Galaxy Buds from the list of connected devices. This will bring up the main control screen for your earbuds. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. This is where you'll find advanced options for your buds. Look for the Reset option in the Settings menu. This feature is designed to clear temporary data and reset the device's software state. Tap the Reset option and confirm when prompted. The app will guide you through a simple confirmation dialog to ensure you want to proceed. After confirming, the reset process begins. This clears the cache, recalibrates the battery meter, and can resolve issues like charging failures caused by software glitches. This reset is completely safe and won't damage your Galaxy Buds. It's one of the most effective first steps for troubleshooting charging problems. Samsung has integrated a quick charge test tool within the Galaxy Wearable app. Run this diagnostic to identify potential charging faults. It offers guided troubleshooting steps and can resolve issues in about 70% of cases without needing a service visit. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If wired charging fails, try wireless charging if your model supports it. This alternative method bypasses the USB-C port and uses electromagnetic induction to charge the case. For wired charging, some users have reported success using a USB-C cable with a higher amp rating, such as 3A instead of 1A. This increased current can sometimes force a charge if the internal circuitry is partially blocked. Be cautious and monitor the case for overheating during this process, as higher amp cables can generate more heat. Now let's examine how battery health and environmental factors can affect your Galaxy Buds case charging. Lithium-ion batteries in Galaxy Buds cases degrade naturally over time, typically lasting 500 to 800 charge cycles. If your buds are several years old, battery degradation could be preventing proper charging. Extreme temperatures greatly accelerate battery degradation. Avoid exposing your buds case to temperatures below 0 degrees Celsius or above 45 degrees Celsius, as these conditions can permanently damage the battery. Overheating is another common issue. Prolonged workouts or leaving the case in direct sunlight can cause the battery to overheat, leading to charging problems or even safety shutdowns to prevent damage. Finally, a loose seal on the buds can allow sweat to enter during workouts, causing corrosion or short circuits. Always maintain the IPX7 waterproof rating by checking seals regularly and avoiding damage. If none of the troubleshooting steps work, it's time to contact Samsung support or a qualified repair technician. The issue might be a hardware fault requiring component replacement. Looking ahead, expect AI-enhanced diagnostics and potentially self-healing materials in future Buds models. Also, consider Samsung's recycling program for discounts on new buds if your old case is beyond repair.